Okay. Then today the front of you, I have to ask some grammatical sentences as from the part of tense, degree, voice. These are all sort of the things I am to ask to you today. Okay. And you will have to answer to me very carefully. As I will ask of you question, according that you will have to answer to me. You will have to keep up your mind just exact in this place. You do not keep up your minds in any other places. Okay. Yeah. You will have to answer to me exactly with confidently and successively you will have to answer of my every question. Okay. Then first I am going to ask you, do you know tense? Yeah, I know tense. Exactly you are knowing? Yeah. Whatever thing you will speak, please you speak with that loud voice. Okay. Edge or voice could be reached in my mobile and or voice will be captured very well. Okay. Are you understanding? Yeah. Keep remembering this method which I have told of you. Then tense you are very well. Yeah. You don't have any problem with tense? No. At first you tell me how many kinds of the tense are there? There are 3 kinds of tense. Okay, can you tell me the name of that tense? Yeah. Okay, let's start for telling. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay. How many kinds of present tense are there? There are 4 kinds of present tense. Okay. Also you are knowing the name of these all name of present tense? Yeah. Okay, can you tell? Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Very good. You are doing very well about the present tense name and also similarly past tense name is called and also future tense similarly that is called. Okay. Now next point I am going to have you any sentences from the part of any tense. Okay. Yeah. You tell to me, मैं मुंबई जाऊंगा. I shall go Mumbai. I shall go to Mumbai. Okay. Please you tell me of that completely of that sentence. You do not take incomplete point. Okay. मैं पढ़ चुका था. I had read. Okay. Please you speak loudly. Okay. मैं किताब ला रहा था. I was reading book. Okay. मैं किताब नहीं ला रहा था. I was not reading book. क्या मैं किताब ला रहा था? What? Was I was bringing book? Okay. Was I bringing book? Was I bringing book? क्या मैं पढ़ रहा था? Was I reading? Very good. मैं पटना गया था. What? मैं पटना गया था. मैं पटना गया. Yeah. I went to Patna. Okay. मैं पटना नहीं गया था. I did not went to Patna. I did not went to Patna. It is correct sentence which you have told me now. I did not went to Patna. No, I did not go to Patna because already or did is coming to being or be to understand or not. Yeah. So in that case, again in that main verb, in past indefinite tense in negative sentence, they will not use V2. Okay. Okay. Now, again I am going to have next sentences from the part of other tense. Okay. मैं कल स्कूल जा चुका था. कल मैं स्कूल जा चुका था. कल मैं स्कूल जा चुका था. First you recognize the distance. After that you answer to me. Okay. Yeah. Tell me that. I had gone tomorrow. I had tomorrow gone, no study. Yesterday I had gone to school. A school. Okay. Study. I had gone to school. Please you speak with confidently. You do not keep up your mind in other direction. Okay. If you keep up your mind in other directions, then really you will be muddled. I think so, why are you mistaking? I know that method very well. Yes. Because the front of you there is camera. That's why you are muddled while telling of any question answer. It's right. Yeah. You will not have to muddle anywhere. Okay. If you muddle, then all of the things will be huddled. Understanding? And also you will not have to answer to me like of hugger mother. You do not keep up any hibby-jibby. Hibby-jibby means, do you know, any fear. Yeah. You will not have to keep up any fear inside of the mind when you answer to me any question which I have to you. Okay. Next thing again I am going to ask of you into passive voice. Okay. I was writing a letter into passive voice. You can do that. Yeah. Okay. Answer me. What letter? I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. Great answer. Next one again I'm to ask of you. I had played carom. Carom had been played by me. Good. Sita has gone to Venice. Venice has been gone by Sita. Very good. You are giving the answer of that passive voice with a splendid way. Next one I am going to ask of you no degree pass. Okay. Yeah. Okay. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा तेज हूँ. I am. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा तेज हूँ. I am more intelligent than you. Very good. मैं सबसे ज़्यादा तेज हूँ. I am I am most
intelligent
of all. Very good. Okay. Then now which one? I am most intelligent of all. In which parts of the degree that is coming?
Superlative.
Superlative degree. Okay. Okay. टीवी से अच्छा लैपटॉप है. टीवी से अच्छा लैपटॉप है. हाँ. टीवी से अच्छा लैपटॉप है. हाँ. टीवी से अच्छा लैपटॉप है. टीवी
is more better than laptop.
Okay, you have not need to use their more. Okay, because every place is before of any adjective there is not using every adjective more other most. Understanding or not? You can say directly that TV is more or TV is better than laptop. Okay. Next one again I am going to help you. In parts of narration. You are going to very well. Then may I have any question to you? Okay. Pawan say to Ram. Pawan say to Ram. Pawan say to Ram. What are you eating? Pawan say to Ram. What are you eating?
Pawan asked to Ram.
Ask Ram. Pawan asked Ram.
What he was eating.
Very good. Next one again I am going to ask of you. Sita said to Ram, open the door. Sita said to Ram, open the door.
Sita ordered to Ram.
Ordered Ram.
Ordered Ram. Open the door.
To open.
To open the door.
Understanding? In imperative sentence, on the place of inverted comma, what is used? To. Okay. Always use talk of that method which I have told of you for using of to whether that's in which parts of the sentences in or direct or indirect speech there is used about that you have to keep remembering forever. Okay. Next thing again I am to ask of you. Do you know direct narration?
Yeah.
I think I have taught in the previous time. I think that is missing from our mind. Okay. Currently I am not to ask of you that, but I am to ask of you about our daily work something. Do you know whatever things you have done studied that all sentences can be defined to very well in this place?
Yeah.
First you tell me studied what did you do after waking up in early morning?
Yesterday I got up in the morning at 6 o'clock. After I came down from the bed.
Okay, after waking up, you came down from the bed. Yeah.
After that I went near of door and I couched the panel of door and I opened the door. After opening, I went outside and I started to search my slipper. Then I saw my slipper. Then
what did you do of that slipper? When you saw of that slipper, after what did you do of that slipper?
Then I put on slipper and I went outside for walking.
Yeah. You went outside for walking.
Yeah.
How many hours did you walk in outside?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, you means there is not matter of hour, there is a matter of minute. 10 minutes you walked here and there. After walking, what did you do more is?
I came from there and I reached home. Then I took brush and Colgate and I started to clean my teeth.
Okay, please speak loudly. Okay, you started to clean. You started to wash your teeth. After washing teeth, what did you do more?
After washing teeth, I went to home. After that, I kept that brush and Colgate. After keeping, I went near of mirror and I.
Okay, you went to the mirror of mirror. Okay, you don't say that mirror. Mirror is wrong pronunciation. It's not good pronunciation. Okay, so whenever you say the pronunciation of any darpans, that time we have to take up that mirror. Okay, you went the front of mirror. Okay, going the front of mirror, what did you do more?
I started to make my hair and I made one picture.
Yeah.
After making picture, I used some cream on my face.
Okay, you used some cream on face. Okay.
After using, I went for eating. Then I took one tumbler water.
Okay, you took a glass of water.
Yeah.
After taking a that tumbler of water, what did you do?
I washed my hand and I went for eating.
Okay. You tell to me after taking breakfast, what did you do more?
Then After taking breakfast, I went to came out my cycle.
You means you took out of your cycle from the house.
Yeah.
Okay. After taking out of your cycle, what did you do?
After taking my cycle, I started to go the way of a school.
Okay, and you reached the school.
I did.
Okay. After a school means after a school, what did you do coming to home from the school?
I came from a school. After that, I washed my hand and face. After washing, I ate food.
Yeah, great. Means daily work you are going to wait for expanding. You don't have any issues in that. But which of the points coming in initial amount of that points you will have to speak with correct. Okay, you will not have to make mistake to anywhere. When you start for telling of any kinds of the thing, at that moment you should remember one meter. I shall not have to keep up the minds here and there. I shall have to keep up the mind exact on that topic. Which topic about it is being given by server, it is being given by more any other person, it's about of that topic only you have to focus at that moment and according that you will have to speak. Then your sentences will become to very correctness, okay?
Yes.
And it will not leave in concentrate mind and if any questions will be given by me at that moment, just you will be nervous and you will be muddled in answering of that question, okay?
Yeah.
You remember this? After that everything is well. I would like to ask of you more any other kinds of the thing, but I have to call also more any other